Have you ever felt slow, inaccurate, or frustrated while typing? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most people still type using just 2 or 3 fingers. But what if you could type fast without looking at the keyboard? That's exactly what touch typing can do for you. Touch typing means typing using all your fingers, guided by muscle memory, not by sight. Your fingers stay on the home row, your eyes stay on the screen. And the speed? It grows automatically. Here's what touch typing gives you. Faster typing speed, fewer mistakes, better concentration, more productivity, more confidence. Typing becomes smooth, effortless, and super fast. Students finishing assignments quicker, professionals saving hours every week, gamers winning with faster controls. Touch typing helps no matter who you are. And learning is actually easier than you think. OnlineTyping.org has a simple step-by-step method to practice every day and improve consistently. Learn finger positions, practice key groups, improve with drills and tests, track your daily progress. So why wait? Make typing your superpower. Visit OnlineTyping.org today. Type faster, work smarter, achieve more. Touch typing isn't just a skill, it's your gateway to the digital world. Let's type the future together.